On my iPhone, you can see so many apps. But some of the apps are offloaded and there is a download button. It means the app is available on my iPhone, but it is not using any storage and all my credentials are intact. But first, to use this app, I need to download the app first and then I will be able to use. In this video, I'll teach you how you can offload the apps that you are not using normally. So if you don't open any app for 10 to 20 days or a little bit longer time, then the app will be offloaded, but it will keep all your login credentials and other information that you have already provided to the app. In my case, even Twitter is not there because I'm not using Twitter or X and 𝒕𝒉𝒐𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍 apps. And there are so many other apps as well. You can see here all of them are available on my phone, but they are not taking any storage and I'm not using them regularly. That's why they are offloaded. So to use this feature on iOS devices, go to Settings, scroll all the way down and go to Apps if you are using the updated version. Then go to App Store, scroll down, and now you will see Offload Unused Apps. It will automatically remove unused apps but keep all documents and data, and on reinstalling the app, it will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So just turn it on, and now if you don't use any of these apps, it will be offloaded. But whenever you will install, let's say I'm gonna install X, it will bring all my login credentials back to normal. On my App Store, you can see I'm installing X again, and here you can also see it's loading. Now X has been installed. Open it, allow WLAN and cellular. Everything is intact. I don't need to do anything extra. All my posts and profile, everything is here. Oh, by the way, if you didn't follow me on Twitter, here is my Twitter account. Oh, we still stay Twitter. Actually, it's X now. See you in the next video. Bye.